Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a makeup try on review, first impressions type of video. And I haven't done one of these in a long time. I think when I first started my channel, I tried to base it around makeup. I still love makeup. I don't love it as much as I used to. I don't really wear that much makeup anymore. But I was intrigued. My cousin Susan bought this makeup and she said it was so on point that I need to try it. So I went online and I'll show you how easy it is to take the test. It's only $5 for shipping, and if you don't like it, you send it back. If you like it, then they'll charge you the full, I think it's like $44.
In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to take the quiz to match your shade to the foundation. So first, you go on to MAKIAGE.com, and then you should find the Take the Quiz button. Then you click what kind of skin type you are. I am a combination. The kind of coverage that I wanted this time is a medium to full. And then the finish that I wanted was a natural finish. And then from there, we go on to the photo section. You choose what your skin tone is normally like. For me, I'm more of like a medium skin tone. From there, you get more precise on what your skin tone is. So I went ahead and chose number 3. And then it takes you to another page where you choose out of the 3 photos. And I chose number 2. And it takes you again to another 3 photos, and it asks you which one is your best match here. I chose number 2. In this section, they ask you what your undertone is. I was kind of in the middle, so I clicked, I don't know, I need more help. And then here they ask you questions about your veins and what it looks like underneath your skin. So I have more of a blue-green. Which jewelry looks better on you? I chose silver. And then here they want to know what happens to your skin when you're out in the sun. So I definitely tan. And then it says, during this time of the year, does your skin tone tend to get darker or lighter? For me, I definitely get darker. And then here it asks, how do you apply your foundation? I usually use a brush. Sometimes I use a sponge, but on most occasions I use a brush. This asks you how you usually prep your skin. I use moisturizer, and I also prime my face. How often do you wear your foundation? 2 to 4 days per week. And then here it asks you what kind of foundation you're using right now. I didn't really have too many concerns that's on this list, so I chose no concerns. And then it asks what your age bracket is. And then from here, it finds your match. Then you put in your email address, and then it's going to email you your foundation color, your shade, and then it shows up on the screen as well. So I am in shade 105. Woke up like this foundation. I skipped this part here. I did not want to try the primer. And then from here, you see it only costs $5 to get this foundation shipped to you. And basically how it works is that you just pay for the shipping now. You try it at home for 2 weeks, and if you love it, you keep it for $44. And if it's not your match or you didn't really like it, you can return your foundation within that 14 days and you won't be charged for the product. So the only thing you'd be paying for is the $5 shipping.
Okay, now that I'm looking at my face in the mirror right here, it looks pretty light. I honestly thought I was darker than I really am, I guess. Here is the bottle. Okay, I'm gonna need you to focus. There we go. Let's do this. Fingers crossed. I hope it is my shade because I do not want to return this. I'm gonna prime my face first. I think this lighting right here is the best. Are you kidding me? It's a little like tan. But the more like I blend it in, it looks like my freaking skin. Wow. Here's this. I don't know if you guys can really tell. This is foundation. This is no foundation. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. And I didn't even look in the mirror when going through like my skin type and my skin color. I'm still kind of blown away. I love the finish on it too. It's really natural and it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't have like a weird smell. Wow. Can you guys tell? Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then I'll show you what it looks like before I do concealer and everything like that. So here's my face. And I put one more layer on. I have some freckles here. I don't mind my freckles showing, but I wanted to see if it was buildable, and it definitely is buildable. My face just looks so velvety and it's so lightweight. I'm kind of bummed out that I didn't do the concealer. I probably should have. It looks so good. I'm blown away right now. I am blown away. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I will be back. Okay, so here is the finished product. I put concealer on, I put highlight, contour, blush, eyebrows. I'm looking like a real person right now because I don't look like this on a normal basis lately. And I'm really excited because I feel like this foundation looks so good and it did not disrupt anything putting on the contour and everything like that. Everything went on really easily. It doesn't feel like I'm cakey or it's thick or anything like that, and I love it. I had to call my cousin while I was doing my makeup because she was the one who got it first and talking about how awesome this thing is. Oh my God. I'm about to go online and take the test for the concealer. If I do, I'll record it so that you guys can see. Oh my God, I love this. I love it. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.